A journey into the desert reveals a world of stark beauty and surprising life, where the iconic baby duck seems an improbable resident. Yet where there is water, even the fleeting, rain-filled catchments known as tinajas, life congregates. A fluffy, cheeping duckling, paddling diligently behind its mother in a rare desert oasis, is a testament to nature's resilience. This downy youngster, a symbol of vulnerability and new beginnings, platypuses are found in freshwater rivers, lakes, and streams along the eastern coast of Australia, from cold highlands to tropical rainforests. Platypuses live in burrows. They dig in the banks of rivers and streams. These burrows can be up to 30 meters, 100 feet long. Platypus uses its beaver-like tail to store fat reserves and as a rudder for steering while swimming. Moose thrive in cold climates thanks to a thick, insulating coat. They are so well adapted that scientists have found they don't even begin to feel the cold until temperatures drop far below zero. Moose have poor eyesight and are notably nearsighted, which is part of why they can sometimes be unpredictable around humans. Flamingos belong to the Phaenicopteridae family. Flamingos are very social. They live in large colonies that can include thousands of birds. Flamingos build cone-shaped mud nests to keep their eggs safe from flooding. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white and turn pink after eating carotenoid-rich food over time. Goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view. Owls live almost everywhere, in forests, deserts, mountains, and even cities around the world. Owls are carnivores, feeding mainly on mice, rats, insects, frogs, and small birds. Owls have large, forward-facing eyes that give them excellent depth perception. Most owls are solitary, preferring to live and hunt alone. Hyenas are often thought of as scavengers, but they're actually skilled hunters too. In fact, spotted hyenas hunt up to 70 to 80% of their food themselves. Hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces of any mammal, strong enough to crush bones. Alligators play a vital role in their ecosystem. Their gator holes, which they dig and maintain during dry periods, alligators are long-lived creatures. In the wild, they can live 35 to 50 years, and in captivity, they have been known to live 65 to 80 years or more. Ibises belong to the Thresciornithidae family, which also includes spoonbills. Ibises are omnivorous, feeding on insects, crustaceans, small fish, frogs, and sometimes plants. Ibises are social birds, often living and nesting in large colonies. Llamas are smart and can learn commands like walking on a lead or carrying a pack. Llamas are very clean animals, often using a common toilet spot in their herd area. Baby llamas are called crias. They can stand and walk within an hour after birth. Llamas are very social animals. Frogs begin their life in water as tadpoles, which have gills and a tail. They undergo a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis to develop lungs and legs for life on land. Frog skin can breathe and absorb water, which are being studied for human medicine. Secretary bird is a large, long-legged bird of prey found mainly in sub-Saharan Africa. Secretary birds prefer open grasslands and savannas, where they can easily spot prey on the ground. Secretary birds are carnivores, mainly eating snakes, lizards, rodents, insects, and small mammals. Parrots belong to the Psittacidae family. Parrots are known for their bright feathers, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 backward. Parrots are omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, nuts, buds, and sometimes insects. Parrots are among the smartest birds on Earth. Bears live in forests, mountains, tundras, and even icy Arctic regions. Bears are mammals and belong to the family Ursidae. Bears have strong bodies, thick fur, and powerful claws for digging and climbing. Bears have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times stronger than a bloodhound's. Black swans have black feathers, a bright red beak, and white wingtips that are visible during flight. Adult black swans can grow up to 1.3 meters, 4.3 feet long, with a wingspan of 2 meters, 6.5 feet. Black swans live near lakes, Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. Giraffes have the shortest sleep requirement of any mammal. Giraffe populations are declining, Peacocks are native to India and Sri Lanka, but now live in many countries around the world. Male peacocks are famous for their brilliant blue and green plumage and long, shimmering tail feathers, called a train. Snakes are reptiles and belong to the serpent suborder. Snakes live on every continent except Antarctica. Snakes have no legs, but they can move in many amazing ways, by slithering, sidewinding, or climbing. Snakes use their muscles and belly scales to move across surfaces. Snakes use their forked tongues to smell the air and find prey. Toucans belong to the Rhamphastidae family. Toucans are known for their large, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans are medium-sized birds, about 18 to 24 inches, 45 to 60 centimeters long depending on the species. Toucans live in rainforests, usually high up in the tree canopies. Dogs are descendants of wolves and were the first animals domesticated by humans. Dogs have been living with humans for over 15,000 years. Dogs belong to the Canidae family, which also includes wolves, foxes, and coyotes. Dogs have an incredible sense of smell, about 100,000 times stronger than humans. Dogs can see better than humans in the dark. Sheep are domesticated mammals that have been raised by humans for thousands of years. Sheep belong to the same family as goats, called Bovidae. A sheep's body is covered in thick wool, which keeps them warm in cold weather. Sheep have horizontal pupils, giving them a wide field of vision. They can see almost 360 degrees. Ducks are aquatic birds that live near ponds, lakes, rivers, and marshes. They belong to the Anatidae family, which also includes geese and swans. Ducks have a special oil gland near their tails. This keeps them dry and warm, even when swimming all day. Ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and small animals. This downy youngster, a symbol of vulnerability and new beginnings, offers a stark contrast to the surrounding sun-baked earth, demonstrating that the pulse of life beats even in the most arid places, sustained by precious winds of water.